Hello, and welcome to the first episode of Henwick at Home. Today's episode is sponsored by the AWJ class, Year 3. We will be subtracting large numbers with exchanging. Now, in order to subtract with large numbers, it's useful to use deans. So I will look for mine. I don't have any deans. We're at home. So let us first begin with our drawings. Our first question we will begin with is 233 take away 149. Now, as I don't have any deans, I'm going to draw 233. I will have my hundreds, my tens, and my units. I have 200s. I will represent my hundreds using squares. 200. I have 3 tens. I will represent my tens using lines. 10, 20, 30. And I have 3 units. I will represent my units using dots. 233. Now, when subtracting, you must always subtract your units first. Never tens, never hundreds. 3 take away 9. AWJ class? Impossible. I only have 3 ones. I can't take away 9. I'm going to exchange one of my tens for 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In total, I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 units. I will represent 13 units like that. I now no longer have 3 tens, I have 2 tens. That 3 tens will turn into a 2. Now, 13 ones units take away 9 units. Well, let us see. Let's take away 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. AWJ class, correct. There are 4 remaining. 13 take away 9 is 4. Now I move on to my tens. 2 tens take away 4 tens. AWJ class? Impossible. Correct. I need to get more tens. I'll do that by exchanging 100 for 10 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 tens. I will represent it like that. I now no longer have 200s, I only have 100. That is no longer 200s, but 100. 12 tens take away 4 tens. I will take away 4 tens. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10. I am left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens. Now, I have 100, take away 100. 100 take away 100 is correct. 0 hundreds. Now, if I want to check my work, I can do what's called the inverse. The inverse is the opposite. I am going to take my difference and do the opposite, which is adding to 149. I'm going to add 149 plus 84. When adding, you should always start with your units. 9 plus 4 is correct, 13. Carry my 1. 1 plus 4 is correct, 5. 5 plus 8 is correct, 13. Carry my 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. I got 233 and I started with 233. That means my subtraction work is correct. Now, we're going to try something a little bit more challenging. I'm going to pretend I have 100 pennies and I'm taking away 87 of them. The first thing I should do is draw a picture of this top number, 100. Well, I only have 100. I have 0 tens and 0 units. When I subtract, I always start with which place? Correct, the units. 0 take away 7 is AWJ class? Impossible. Well, I can't borrow from my tens because there are no tens, so I have to go to my hundreds. And I go to my hundreds and I exchange my hundreds, let me see if I can get a better pen, for 10 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.